All right, picture this. You toss out your garbage, and instead of worrying about recycling rules, your trash can does the thinking for you. That's not sci-fi, that's smart garbage segregation using IoT, and it's already starting to change the way we handle waste in our homes and cities. So how does it work? Imagine a trash bin in your kitchen with sensors and cameras. The moment you drop something in, it scans and sorts. Plastic, paper, food waste all separated automatically. No more guessing if that greasy pizza box is recyclable. Now multiply that by every household, every apartment, every office in the city. These smart bins are connected to the cloud, tracking waste in real time. City officials get instant data. How much plastic is being thrown away? Which neighborhoods need more pickups where illegal dumping is happening? But here's where it gets cool. AI can analyze this data and suggest ways to reduce waste citywide. Maybe your neighborhood gets a notification about composting, or the city launches a campaign to cut down on single-use plastics, all based on real numbers. And for you, you might even get rewards for recycling properly, tracked automatically by your bin. Less hassle, more impact. This isn't just about cleaner streets. Building smarter cities, protecting the environment, making waste management effortless. The future is already here, and it's smarter than ever. So next time you take out the trash, imagine a world where your bin is doing the heavy lifting, and we're all living a little greener.
Hey everyone! Imagine if our community could stay cleaner and healthier just by using a little bit of tech and teamwork. Sounds cool, right? Well, today, I'm going to show you a super simple IoT-based waste management project that anyone, from little kids to high schoolers, can build and learn from. So what's IoT? It stands for Internet of Things. That's just a fancy way of saying everyday objects connected to the internet, sharing info to make life better. Now let's use that to tackle waste in our neighborhood. Here's the basic idea. We build a smart dustbin. All you need is a small trash can, an ultrasonic sensor, an Arduino or similar microcontroller, and a Wi-Fi module. The sensor sits inside the bin and checks how full it is. When the bin's about to overflow, it sends a message, like a text or an app notification to whoever's in charge of emptying it. No more overflowing bins, and no more guessing when it's time to take out the trash. You can even take it further. Imagine mapping all the bins in your school, or mapping all the bins in your community. Everyone can see which bins need attention, making waste collection super efficient and, honestly, kind of fun. Plus, you can track how much waste you're generating and challenge your friends or classmates to reduce it week by week. What's awesome about this project is that it's hands-on, easy to teach, and you can customize it as much as you want. Younger students can help decorate the bins or test the sensors, while older students can code the notifications or analyze the data. It's a team effort, and everyone learns something new. And here's the best part. By building and sharing this project, you're not just learning about technology, you're making a real difference. Cleaner streets, healthier parks, and a smarter community, all because you took the initiative. So, what are you waiting for? Grab some friends, get creative, and let's make our environment cleaner, one smart bin at a time. If you try this out, let me know how it goes in the comments. I'd love to see what you come up with. Thanks for watching, and remember, small ideas can lead to big change.